This is a secret hack. Use ChatGPT to earn up to 30k per month by doing this. Hi, I'm Yaswanth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have already posted many videos on how to make use of ChatGPT to earn money. In this video, I'm going to reveal a secret hack which will help you to make money using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is turning out to be a very helpful tool. It is helping us in many different ways. It might be coding, it might be content writing, it might be research. So for many different purposes, ChatGPT is helping us. And not many people are aware of how to actually use ChatGPT. I've already shared many tricks to earn using ChatGPT. In this video, I'm going to share another trick which will help you to make up to 30k per month because it is a proven skill. There are many doubt solving apps out there. It might be Chegg, Course Hero, Tutor. In those platforms, people will post their doubts. Every doubt that you answer, if your answer is valid, you will be paid some money. So in general, ChatGPT is trained with vast knowledge out there. Whatever the subject it might be, whatever the area it might be, ChatGPT has the knowledge on everything. If you can utilize ChatGPT to solve them, ultimately you can earn a lot. The only thing that you need to know is how to use ChatGPT, to ask the right things to ChatGPT. So like you see a question and you need to talk with ChatGPT in such a way that you talk with your friends. Ask ChatGPT different questions and make yourself familiar with it. Once you are familiar with using ChatGPT, then ChatGPT will give you good answers. If you know how to ask right questions, you can get the right answers. So you will find many questions out there. You just need to create an account on all of those platforms. Chegg is something which is quite popular already, and Course Hero, all the platforms which pays a lot to the people who answer others' doubt. So it's not that not everyone is aware of it. Most of them are aware of it, but most of them don't know how to use ChatGPT properly. So if you can ask ChatGPT random questions or testing it for fun, then ultimately you will only get that. But if you utilize ChatGPT in a productive way, like asking the right questions, we don't know how many more months that ChatGPT will be available for free. But as long as it's available for free, make use of this platform to earn money. So I hope that trick will really be helpful. That's not a trick actually. I tested ChatGPT. It is giving valid answers. We have also seen the news that ChatGPT cleared the MBA test. ChatGPT cleared the coding test of so-and-so universities and all. Yes, ChatGPT is making everything possible. Be the early set of people who use ChatGPT to make money. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it would be helpful for you. If you're a new visitor, please subscribe to my channel. Also, please like and share this video in your network. Thank you.